Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. I'm Amaé and today we are here to make a DIY about Thanksgiving. So first is DIY, you will need a pair of scissors, glue stick, a pencil, a ruler and a square sheet. You can have colorful paper, mine is white but it's better to have a red, green or yellow sheet of paper because at the end of this DIY we will have decoration for Thanksgiving. It will be leaves for a fall. So first step, you will fold the paper in half and like that. And then you will take your pencil and your ruler and just draw a line from this corner to this corner. My ruler was too small, so I changed it. So just from here to this corner, and next you will cut it. Get on the line and unfold paper. So now you have a triangle. So for this next step you will put the smallest side just here beside you and just fold it a bit like that. Okay, now you can turn the paper and fold it the same way. And now you just turn the paper and start again until you can't. So you will have that, and next you can take like the triangle you cut in the beginning and just cut it like that and roll it from this corner to have this. So now you can press out the little side of what you rolled. And take this that you will fold in half like that, and now glue the little part you pressed out and stick it around this. Like that. So if you are good, you have that, and to finish you can just glue this part and this part and paste it together. And you have the leaf. You have your leaves for fall, for Thanksgiving, for your decoration. And I advise you all to paint it or to draw it with your ideas, because it will be more beautiful. Thank you all to watch this video, so like, subscribe to this channel, and thank you. Bye bye.